I'm gonna show you how to find these unique products and flip them with a lot of margin and a lot of markup and a lot of profit on Facebook Marketplace. Everything is for free. You don't have to touch any products. You don't have to invest any money. Zero technical skills. I'm gonna show you how to do just that in this very moment. Okay. What's going on? Are you looking for a side hustle with very low competition that you can pocket hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every month to supplement your income? Or maybe turn it into a full-time job? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a very unique method that almost nobody is doing, so you better jump on it right away before it gets saturated, okay? And basically what I'm going to be showing is very similar to a product arbitrage or a drop shipping, but fuck China. We're not going to be dealing with any Chinese suppliers and communication and things like that. We're going to be using homemade, handcrafted, very quality products, all locally or domestic. Okay, so I'm going to show you this very unique method in just a second. But if you're new here to this channel, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell button, because I upload new videos every week that teach you with all kinds of tips and tutorials on how to make it online, side hustles, and basically find your freedom online, so you don't have to rely on any freaking boss or any location, and you can just be living your free life. Okay, so hit that notification button, subscribe if you're new here, hit that like button as well, because Google loves it, I love it, and that's the only tip, or that's the only payment that I expect in exchange for me to be doing all these videos and tutorials for free for you. Okay, so let's jump to my computer and let's go. So welcome to my computer. This is the method that I was speaking about at the intro of this video, where for this method we're going to be using a marketplace that's called Etsy. If you're not familiar with this website, it's called Etsy.com. And what is Etsy? It's a one-of-a-kind community. Etsy is a global online marketplace where people come together to make, sell, buy, and collect unique items, right? So basically what we're going to be using this website for, as you can see, it's a huge marketplace where they have all kinds of categories like home and favorites, jewelry, accessories. They have all kinds of subcategories in there: clothing and shoes, home and living, wedding and party, whatever. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing is, for example, you in the search bar, you're just gonna put homemade, and then you just click space, and then you can just play with it with the alphabetic keys, you know, like for example A, and you have homemade afghans, aprons, art, ashtray. Or B, book, bags, baby blanket. C, candles, cookies, right? So whatever topic or category that you like, that I'm gonna leave it completely up to you. You can just, there are endless options, right? So for example, for this example, I chose homemade candles, right? So here is exactly how are we gonna go about this method. So you're gonna pick your product, you're gonna pick your vendor, seller, your category, your niche, right? Whatever you feel like could sell well, right? Later on this video, I'm gonna give you some tips how you can actually make sure that this item or category that you chose is actually searchable, or there is actually a demand for it online. So stick till the end of this video. But for this example, it's just an example. You can copy that, or you just go about it however you like. Okay, so let's see. So as I said, for this example only, it's just an example, I chose homemade candles, right? And I chose this vendor, right? The reason why I chose this vendor is because the price, okay? So they're selling that for $4.86. Right now they are having a 30% discount. And so I chose this one because you can actually you can double or triple even the price, so that you can pocket the most profit, right? So as you can see, this is the vendor side, and you have everything already ready for you, okay? So you have the headlines, you have the description, you have the pictures and everything, you have the ratings. So what we're gonna be doing, we're just gonna be copying and pasting, right? So you go on Facebook, right, and you open your marketplace, and here's the draft, right? So if you want to open a marketplace, you just pick whatever you want to sell, if it's an item, if it's a service, or whatever they give you, and then you just, from Etsy, just download the pictures that they have already on the site of the vendor. You just download it to your computer and then upload them to your marketplace,
right? And then for the title, just copy and paste whatever the vendor has on its page, right? You can put your price, which is like I chose $10 for this. You can choose the category, arts and crafts. You can also choose other keywords or tags if you wish. You can choose the condition, it's new. And for the description, as you can see, it's all right here. The description is copied and pasted from the vendor site, right? So you can see, and also from there, I also copied some reviews, right? You see these reviews over here, so just copy them so it gets more credibility in your post on the marketplace, right? So 5 stars, scent jasmine, love the smell, very light and natural. Scent citrus peel pine, this is a lovely scent, it's refreshing. The tin has only the tiniest of imperfections. Soy candles are the best and not easy to find, right? So you can copy and play with that. You can also choose the location. This vendor is from Vermont, so I just put a random city in Vermont, and they ship anywhere to the United States, right? So this is how you easily pick a high quality product based on your niche, based on your category that most interests you from Etsy, okay? Then you just pick the most appealing vendor or sales page with the most appealing pictures. You just copy and paste and create your own marketplace, and then list it on Facebook Marketplace, and then just sell it with double, triple, or even quadruple the price, right? The minute that you receive a order on your Facebook Marketplace, then what you're gonna do, as I mentioned before, you don't have to touch the products, you don't have to do anything. That's why it's similar to dropshipping. But what you're gonna do, you receive the payment, right, from the people who wants to buy from you. Then you go back to Etsy, you go to the site of the vendor, you place the order, right? And all the information, the shipping and address and everything, the vendor will take care of the shipping and handling of the product, and then you just keep the difference, right? Then you just pocket the profit, right? So that's basically this method. I am not seeing a whole bunch of people doing this method, so this is a very good method to supply your income, to even turn this side hustle into a full-time income, right? So right now I'm gonna show you the trick or another extra tip, or how you can actually make sure that the product that you want to pick from Etsy and then flip it on Facebook Marketplace, how you can make sure that there is a actual demand for it on the internet, right? So let's see that right now. So as I was speaking, this you can multiply as many times as you wish, okay? It doesn't have to be the only one product, only one niche. As you can see on Etsy, there's so many categories that you can choose from, and you can create multiple listings on Facebook Marketplace, and then just, copy and paste everything, and then you are all set. No skills required, no shipping and handling, nothing like that is at play. So this is very easy, very low competition method, as I was saying. And in this part, I'm going to show you how to actually make sure that the products or the niche that you choose is actually a demand for it online. So for that, we're going to be using a little tool that's called Google Trends, right? So you go on Google Trends, and as you can see in Google Trends, you can just type in a keyword, and you can see on the graph how the demand online is for that particular term, right? Face mask. You can filter out by the last 30 days, last 12 months, and all the tendency that it has, and also where in the United States. For example, you can pick a country, but in this example, we are in the United States. Which states from the United States are actually looking most for that specific term? For this example, I chose face mask because guess what? If you go on Etsy, there is a lot of handcraft and homemade and very creative and beautiful face mask vendors. So you can just pick and choose, and again, follow the same steps, right? You pick a vendor, nice cheap product, looking nice quality, you then just double or triple the price, create a Facebook marketplace item on it, and then just flip that on Facebook Marketplace and keep the profit and the difference, right? So This is the method that I was speaking about, similar to China, but fuck China, because I think they've done already too much with this whole pandemic thing. So let's just stay local a little bit and keep and support the very creative, local, handcrafted people and homemade artists, right? So let's do this. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, because everybody loves receiving love. So give me some love. That's the only thing that I ask in exchange for these free tricks and tips. If you're new here, consider subscribing. And again, one last tip, okay? Listen to me very closely, okay? One last tip. This is only one of the tips on how you can make money online doing a side hustle and even a full-time. But if you're really, really serious about how to make it online, how to learn the best and easiest way how to start your online business with the lowest barrier of entry, it's called affiliate marketing. This is actually similar to affiliate marketing, where you just recommend a product, posing that's your own, but you are in a full control because you put your own margin there. But affiliate marketing is another business which is very, very easy to start. You can start seeing some first results within the days or weeks. It doesn't require any technical skills. Well, a little bit, but people like me, which are low tech, can learn it like that, okay? And if you're serious about starting it online, I can offer you some free resources and courses on affiliate marketing and all the basics, what it's about, how to start it the right way, how you can see the results really soon, email marketing, build your own blog, copywriting secrets, sales funnels, create an online course, and all these type of free resources. If you are really serious about starting and making it online and making really passive income and make it a full-time freedom thing for you and a lifestyle, then I will leave the link for these free resources down in the description of this video. And again, like this video if you did, and till next time, my friend, go online and make it happen. Peace.